Hello everybody, my name is Nitish Abraham and I am here to explain the first exercise of DBMS. It uses the DDL and DCL commands. In DDL commands we have create, alter, modify, rename and all, and DCL we have revoke and grant. We have 20 set of questions, and the first question is create the above tables with primary key constraint. So the command for it is create table name, that's customer ID, that's the attribute, number is the data type, primary key is the constraint, and thus we create 5 such tables. The next question is add foreign key reference to the customer ID attribute, and for that the command is alter table name, that's order 1, add constraint name mk, foreign key of customer ID which references to the customer table. Next question is modify the attribute product finish in the product table to product material. So the command for it is alter table name, that's product, rename column name product finish to product material. Fourth question is add an attribute called price in the order line table. So command is alter table name order quantity, add price, that's the attribute and the data type. Fifth question is add check constraint to order quantity column and check that the quantity is above 10. So for that the command is alter table name, that's order line, add constraint C1, checks the condition that's order quantity is greater than or equal to 10. The next is add the not null constraint to customer name attribute. So for that the command is alter table name, that's customer, modify customer name varchar not null, rename order line to order quantity. So we give alter table name, that's product, rename column product finish to product material. Now describe the structure of the customer and order table. For that we have DESC customer which describes the customer table, and DESC order 1 which describes the structure of the order 1 table. Now insert the above values into the corresponding tables. For that the command is insert into the table name, that's customer, values and the necessary values which you want to give. We give such values into each table, and I have also shown the display the table. For that select star from order 1 and the table will be displayed. The next question is copy the customer table to a new table called customer. So for that we create a new table, that's create table customer 1, as select star from customer means it takes the values from the previous customer table, selects all the values and displays it as it is. Then rename the new table as customer 2. For that we give rename customer 1, that's the old table, to customer 2, that's the new table name. Grant select privilege to user 1 on order table. For that we give grant the privilege that select on order 1 to user 1. This is a new user which we want to give privileges like select and all. So the grant is succeeded, so we disconnect from our system and we go to user 1, log in through user 1, and we try to insert into it the values, but there's an error because there's insufficient privileges. So we disconnect from the user and we enter through our system. And next question is to grant insert privilege on order 1. So we grant insert as a privilege on order 1 to user 1, and we do the same thing and try to delete from it, because the next question is to delete, but again we see an error because there is insufficient privileges. When we again log in through our own system and we try to revoke all the privileges, for that it's revoke the privileges as insert and select on order 1 from the user 1 which we want to give. The revoke is succeeded. Next is remove all the tables from the customer to remove all the data from customer to table. For that we give truncate table name, all the data will be removed, that's table truncated. Last question is to drop the structure of the customer to table. For that we give the command drop table name, that's customer 2, thus the table will be dropped. Thank you.